Let's compare Pine Needles Distress Ink with Pine Needles Distress Oxide Ink. I'm using stamping for the comparison here, but you can do many different techniques with them. I'm using a black heavy stock as well as a light heavy stock. You'll see because the Distress Ink is just a dye-based ink and it's transparent that you don't actually see it on the black cardstock, but you do see it on the light cardstock. Now I'm using the Oxide, which is a dye pigment blend, and you'll definitely be able to see it on the dark cardstock, and you'll see it just as well on the light cardstock. Because of those pigment properties, you're able to see it on darker cardstocks as well as lighter cardstocks. If you compare the colors on the lighter cardstock, they're very similar to each other, but it's just nice to be able to have the option to choose different cardstocks based on what result we're wanting to have. I misted both of them with water. When you mist the Oxide ink, it activates the Oxide ink. It kind of brightens it up, lightens it up, and it makes it a little bit frosty and creamy looking. You can also have fun with extra water on the lighter cardstock and have the dye properties start to blend and bleed. I didn't do it on the dark cardstock because you wouldn't see it because the dye is transparent, so you wouldn't see it on there. But it's fun to have the two different versions of ink to be able to pick and choose what look we're going for and which ink is the best for it.